Hey there, welcome on board. Let's talk about Forex signals this time. Alex will soon join us to tell us how to read and use signals. He will also show us where to find them and share all the details and specifics. Let's go. Okay, now we're on the way, and I think Alex will be joining me very soon. Let's see if I can... Yeah, over there. I see him right there. That's right. There we go. Alex is here.
Hello,
Alex.
Gaspar.
How are you?
All good and well prepared for business today.
Perfect. Speaking about business, what's that money management tip you always use?
I think I remember. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
What does it mean?
Well, what it basically means is that use a number of indicators instead of just one, and use a number of trading signals instead of just one.
Okay, signals is exactly what I want to talk about to you today.
That's nice. I think it's a great topic because everyone likes signals, but actually a few know how to use trading signals to trade.
Perfect. Then I'll do the asking, you'll do the talking.
No problem. Let's go.
Let me guess this straight then. What's the best signal?
That's a tough one. But let me answer this question with a basic educational tip. There is no magical money-making tool.
But then I thought there are 100% effective signals, no?
I think that's what a lot of people think about. But then I think it's a good opportunity to ask our viewers what they think about signals.
All right.
Dear viewers, please share in the comments whether if you've used any signals that was 100% reliable all the time and which signals it was.
But then do you think there are no good signals?
Of course there are. But then even the best signals aren't infallible.
All right, then explain what types of signals are there?
I think the main thing you need to understand here is that your choice of a trading signal should depend on your trading style. So let's say for traders who work with short-term market volatility, the best signal, or they can use the intraday trading signal, mainly because it's easier for them for this signal to spot the trend and then identify good entry and exit points throughout the day.
Okay, that's intraday. Then what's the next one?
I think the next one has to do with a swing trading signal.
Okay.
So this signal service or this signal is designed for traders who work with medium-term price volatility that spans from days to weeks. So the primary focus here is to more or less capitalize on potential price reversals and continuations.
Okay, then the intraday swing, is there a third type?
Yes, I think that should be the scalping.
Okay, scalping. Tell me about it.
Yeah, so scalping is basically for traders who wish to, capitalize on short-term market volatility spanning from seconds to minutes and even just a pip. So in this case, they can use the scalping signal because signals are generated at a fast pace.
All right. The third types, intraday swing, scalping, I'm clear. Can you show me how it works?
Yeah, sure. One moment. Okay.
I'll just do a brief stop so that I'm focused. Okay, so
here you open and then you navigate to the Olymp Trade market. So on the Olymp Trade market, you see the signal service, you have OTC, you have swing, and you have the scalping signal. So once you are subscribed, you'd always receive this signal once a good entry point is identified.
Looks pretty clear actually.
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything specific Olymp Trade can do to our traders in this regard about signals?
Speaking of which, I actually wanted to draw attention to the fact that Olymp Trade has an exclusive signal channel on Telegram.
Okay, Telegram channel. Okay.
So in this channel, signals are generated and provided to traders on various market opportunities that most traders can capitalize on.
Okay, that's very useful. Are you among the professionals who post signals there?
It just puts me on the spot.
Come on, tell me.
On the spot. Yeah, actually I am.
Okay.
But then if you're interested in joining this signal service, you can check the description for the link to join this channel.
Okay, that's perfect. Then joining the Telegram channel. Fine. I think I'm clear about the signals. Alex, thank you as usual for very informative talk. I think I'll get back to you with more questions next time, and we're approaching our destination. Before you go, like, subscribe, and see our other videos on the channel. And I think I will drop you out right here.
Yeah, I think this is our spot.
Sure. All right, Alex.
Yeah, Gaspar.
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Yeah, thanks
See
for
you
the
next
ride.
time.
Yeah, see you.
Bye.